Hey guys, welcome to the second video of Casually Explained series. In this series, we are talking about some scientific terms which you regularly see and hear in your daily life. In this video, we are going to talk about particulate matter or PM. You must have heard about them from TV news and newspapers. So, what are particulate matter? Particulate matter is the sum of all solid and liquid particles suspended in air. It is a complex mixture which includes both organic and inorganic particles such as dust, pollen, soot, some bacteria, smoke, cat allergens, and liquid droplets, etc. These particles vary greatly in size, composition, and origin. So let's have a look on their types and sources. Some particulate matter is directly injected or entrained within atmosphere. For instance, when fuel is burnt or when dust is carried by wind. These particles are known as primary particulate matter. Some particulate matter develops through chemical process or chemical reaction among primary particulate matter. These particles are known as secondary particulate matter. But the classification based on size of particle is widely accepted and used by governments around the world. Based on size, the particulate matter is divided into two main groups, PM2.5 and PM10. PM10 particles has a diameter which is less than 10 micrometer. The human hair has at least 6 times bigger diameter than PM10. The major source of PM10 includes construction sites, mining and quarrying activities, unpaved roads and farming activities, etc. PM2.5 particle has a diameter which is less than 2.5 micrometer. The major source of PM2.5 is combustion or fire. That is why PM2.5 is acquired from coal-powered power stations, factories, refineries, vehicle exhaust, wood and biomass burning, forest fires, volcanoes, etc. The PM2.5 are much more deadly than PM10. As PM2.5 particles are really small, they can get deeper in your body through breathing or directly by penetrating skin. Let's take a look on some more facts. Particulate matters are measured by two technologies, namely light scattering photometer and optical or laser particle counter. The safe limits of particulate matter according to WHO are 25 microgram per meter cube for PM2.5, 50 microgram per meter cube for PM10. If particle exceeds the safe limits, they can start causing some problems for humans. Short-term exposure of these particles can lead to headache, dizziness, irritation in eye, nose and throat, while long-term exposure can lead to cardiovascular, respiratory, cardiopulmonary diseases including bronchitis, lung cancer and harmful developmental and reproductive effects. So take active measure to keep the pollution under the safe limits. What do you think we can do to stop the pollution? Write in the comment box. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel.